Before you make any decisions about purchasing Cinch, there are a few critical things you need to know. Cinch is a powerful tool, but like any software, it's not the perfect fit for everyone. By the end of this video, you'll understand whether it's the right choice for your business needs and why it stands out compared to its competitors. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal some insider tips and a way for you to try Cinch out for free, with some exclusive benefits. First, let's talk about ease of use. Cinch is designed with simplicity in mind, making it accessible even if you're not a tech expert. Unlike more complex competitors like Monday.com or Asana, Cinch offers a clean, intuitive interface that helps you get started quickly. You won't be overwhelmed by 1,000 features you won't use, which is a huge plus for small to mid-sized businesses or individuals just starting out with project management. Next, Cinch offers strong automation capabilities. If you've used tools like Trello or ClickUp, you know that automation can be a game changer. Cinch takes this a step further with simple yet powerful automated workflows. You can set triggers and actions to streamline your process, and it doesn't require coding or a steep learning curve to implement. This makes it an appealing option for teams that want to save time and reduce manual effort without needing a dedicated technical team. The third thing you need to know is its integration options. Cinch integrates with a wide range of software tools, from Google Workspace to Slack, Zapier, and more. This level of integration makes it much easier to keep all your tools working together without having to switch between multiple platforms. Unlike some of the more rigid project management tools, Cinch adapts to your existing tech stack, which saves you time in the long run. The fourth thing is that Cinch offers a comprehensive reporting system. If you've used software like Rike or Basecamp, you know how important it is to have access to data-driven insights. Cinch provides detailed reports that allow you to track progress, monitor team performance, and identify bottlenecks in real time. This feature is a major plus for project managers who need to make data-backed decisions to keep projects on track. The fifth thing to consider is its scalability. Cinch is designed to grow with your business. Whether you're a solopreneur or a large team, Cinch can accommodate your needs without forcing you to switch to a new tool as you scale. Competitors like ClickUp or Notion may require additional upgrades or feature add-ons to handle a growing workload, but Cinch keeps things straightforward and flexible, making it a good investment for long-term growth. Next, let's talk about customer support. Cinch's support team is known for being responsive and helpful. Unlike some other project management tools that leave you waiting for hours or even days for a response, Cinch provides quick, efficient support, including live chat and detailed knowledge bases. This can save you a lot of frustration, especially if you're new to the platform and have questions about getting set up or troubleshooting. Finally, Cinch offers a free trial. This is an essential factor to consider if you're on the fence. Many software companies offer limited trials with restricted features, but Cinch gives you access to nearly all of its core functionalities during the trial period. This allows you to fully explore the software and see how it fits with your team's workflow before committing to a paid plan. And if you want to go beyond the trial, you can upgrade to one of their reasonably priced plans without worrying about hidden fees. So, if you want to try out Cinch for free and get the best trial with exclusive benefits, make sure to click the first link in the description. You'll get full access to the features I've just covered, plus some additional perks that will help you get started faster. Don't miss out on this opportunity to streamline your workflow with Cinch, the tool that's built for ease, efficiency, and growth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check the description below for that exclusive trial link and start using Cinch today.